This video introduces the new accessible property for HTML pages. This property controls how screen readers, such as JAWS, read your HTML pages, ensuring that your content is accessible to everyone. You can configure an HTML page so that the screen reader reads your content from left to right and top to bottom by setting the accessible property for the HTML page. Click the background of the HTML page to ensure that you are setting the properties for the entire document rather than a component. In the Properties panel, in the Miscellaneous section, set the accessible property to Yes. Click Yes so that the tab order of the objects on the page will be written, left to right, top to bottom. Using the accessible property, you can ensure that everyone can access your content the way it was intended, whether looking at it in a browser or using a screen reader. To learn more, visit the WebFocus 8205 knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.